Hey, what's up guys, Auto Fanatics. So today's video, just doing it for pleasure and for fun, we're gonna be doing a review on this Rain-X high foaming auto wash that's sold on Amazon. Now the reason I picked this, when I did the video of the Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish Foam Cannon, I went on Amazon and I kind of saw what the top sellers were, and this is a #1 seller. They sell thousands of bottles of this every month on Amazon. So this is the most economical soap that I could find, okay? I bought this large container for $4. They're guaranteeing super value of 100 washes. If you were to consider that, this is about 4 cents a wash. If we're gonna put it in the foam cannon, the way we're gonna dilute it, it's gonna be about 12 to 15 cents a wash. I don't know how well it's gonna work. We're just doing this for fun. We're doing a wash on the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Actually, the final wash on the Alfa Romeo Stelvio, because we sold it. We're getting a brand new car in about a week or so. So I just did the wheels. You can see the car is really, really dirty. It's been driven in the rain, a lot of salt, a lot of stuff's been falling on the ground because we're still in winter, even though we haven't had any snow. So I just did the wheels quick. I zapped them with the Auto Fanatic Professional Wheel Cleaning Foam in the MTM PF22. And then I went in there with my modified custom long reach wheel woolies. I cleaned the wheel barrels. I touched up around the lug pockets. And then I just rinsed off each wheel. You can kind of see the dirt coming off. I mean, these things were filthy. I rinsed them off with the turbo nozzle. I go in a circular pattern, and then I blow dry, and I'm done. So the wheels and tires are all clean. I didn't want to kind of bore you with that in this video. We're just going to put some of this stuff here. We're going to load it up in the foam cannon. We're going to load some up in the bucket. We're going to do a contact wash, and we're going to see how well it does. FYI, this does not have any fragrance. It's so cheap that fragrance oils actually add a lot of money to a product. So this doesn't have any fragrance, and on the back, it says it's made from U.S. and foreign components. So I don't know what this is coming from or how well this is gonna work, but this is definitely probably gonna be cheaper than Dawn or Palmolive. I don't think this is gonna be for guys like that watch this channel. This is gonna be for somebody that really doesn't really care. But the whole test is, we're gonna check on the Stelvio. In the foam runoff, is it gonna foam up good in a foam cannon? I don't know. It says high foaming. We'll see how well it works in the foam cannon. And also, is it gonna give any self-cleaner? We didn't see any dirt in the foam runoff. And how is the lubrication? Will it water spot and will it actually clean good? We'll see. And I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So I'm just doing this for fun. So let's get this thing loaded up right now. All right, guys. So I'm going to put 4 ounces in the Griot's Brilliant Finish Foam Cannon just because I don't know how well this stuff is going to do. And I want to kind of produce the best foam possible just for the video purposes. So we're going to put it in there. There's no fragrance with this soap at all. You can see it there. So it really didn't turn the foam cannon bright green. Shake it up real good. And I threw some in the bucket, so we're going to show the bucket first, see how well that foams up with a mitt, and then we're going to start foaming up the car. All right, so we got some foam. It's not very slick to the touch, but I wasn't really expecting it, not for this kind of price. So we're gonna let that sit. We're probably gonna fill it out in a couple of minutes, but we're just gonna do a little contact wash. We'll see how the lubrication is on the car right now, and then we're gonna switch over. We're gonna take the lance off, and we're gonna go over to the foam cannon. Wow, it foams up absolutely horrible. High foaming. I don't know about that. We're gonna add some more soap now. Let's add some more soap. Oh my God. I was expecting better than that. I'm just gonna pour a bunch of soap in there. I don't even care because I'm not gonna ever use this again. Let's see. We gotta get some foam out of this thing. Come on. See, cheap soap. This is what you get. All right, we got a little better. So realistically, I probably added about 10 ounces of soap to the foam cannon to get mediocre watery soap, we're gonna give it a benefit of the doubt. We're gonna foam up the rest of the car. So you can definitely see it's clinging to the paint pretty good. It's not running off too quickly. Go down to the bottom. I don't see any dirt. I don't see anything. Go back here. I see a little bit back here, right there. A little bit of dirt right there. That's it. Out of all the runoff, that's all I see. It's really watery. I was expecting a lot more foam than this. This is a little disappointing. So we're gonna grab the bucket with the mitt, and we're gonna see how the lubrication goes for a contact wash. All right, guys, so we got the bucket here. The soap definitely fizzled out, but let's see how it feels on the paint. It's actually not terrible. I do feel a little bit of a grab, which is definitely the cheap surfactant that's being used in this type of soap. I mean, this feels like you're washing the car with palm olive dish detergent. That's what it feels like. And I kind of was expecting that from this, but I don't know. I can't believe how many people on Amazon buy this stuff every month. Thousands and thousands of bottles of this stuff are being sold every month, and they have like 5-star reviews. So I don't know. So I'm gonna finish up the wash. I'll give you guys my final thoughts. I just did this for fun. There's like 0 self-cleaning properties. Foam quality absolutely sucks, unless you probably put the whole bottle into the foam cannon, which, you know what, I think I'm gonna do a test right now. I'm gonna fill the foam cannon up 100% with soap, and we're gonna shoot it at the car just because I'm gonna waste it anyway. So let's try that right now. All right, guys, so just for fun, I am filling up the foam cannon 100% with soap and no water. Now, I don't know if this is gonna do anything, but I don't really care because, like I said, I'm not gonna ever use this stuff again, and I'm just doing this for fun. So let's grab the, oh, it's like a monsoon out here with the wind. All right, let's try this out. 100% soap, Rain-X. Let's see what this stuff does. A little bit better. Well, like I said, it performs a little bit better using full soap, no water, but that's not necessarily economical. So I'm gonna finish the wash. I'll give you guys my final thoughts in a few moments. So I just want to show you how harsh the surfactants are. You can see the way the water is behaving on the panel, and this car is protected with the ceramic waterless wash. It's sheeting off, but there's no real hydrophobic beading. You can see how it's all pulling off, so it definitely, oh my God. Get closer, you can hear that? Yeah, it stripped the surface completely. That's how crappy that surfactant is in that soap. All right, guys, the wash is all done on the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Like I said, it looks good. It looks good on camera. It just didn't do the greatest job as far as self-cleaning. Lubrication was mediocre. Foam output, even with 100% foam, is still disappointing. So it's not the greatest snow foam or car wash yourself. The other thing, too, whatever surfactant is in it, it does strip down the finish if you have like any kind of paint sealant or protectant on the car. So it is a little harsh. You can kind of, oh, I wish you could feel it, but it feels really, really squeaky. It doesn't have that slick glide to the touch that usually you'll get with some really good soap. So other than that, my final thoughts on the Rain-X is it's not that good. It's not that great of a car wash. If you're probably washing in a bucket with a mitt, doing a conventional hose and bucket wash, this will probably get you by. This will probably be more economical than using, you know, some of the other car wash soaps. But I just think for the money, I was expecting this to outperform and perform better than what it did. Even like the cheapest stuff from Chemical Guys blows this away. So this is not, even though it's $4 for this container, if you're gonna use this much soap to do one wash in an SUV, this is not the most economical. So my feedback is I don't really like it. I don't recommend it. You guys could do what you want. I don't know why thousands of people are buying this on Amazon, but so be it. This was just for fun. Fun little demonstration just to show you guys what this stuff will do. I will most likely never use this again. Probably just throw it in the trash. But like I said, stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys soon.